Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to restore contacts from Facebook Messenger. So, guys, to restore contacts, first you could check your archive chats, and you could just simply go to the Messenger application. And to go to the archive, you could just simply select the three lines at the bottom right, and you will have the archive tab over here. And if a contact was deleted from Messenger but not from your Facebook friend list, you can search your friend list on the search bar over here to restore the contact of your friend, and you can just simply chat with them in order for it to bring it back. Or if it's on the archive, of course, you could just simply go ahead and select them over here, and you will have an archive. And when you go to the chats, you should be able to chat with them over here. Now, if any of these doesn't work on what I have said, what you could try to do is just simply tap on the application messenger and go for the app info over here and go for the storage and tap on the clear data. So guys, clearing the data will reset the messenger application, and mostly this restore the contact from Facebook Messenger, and this fixes the issue from corrupted data. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.